Hey traders, welcome to 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄's weekly Forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. DXY for this one, guys. I hope all of you remember this forecast. We said last week we are expecting DXY to go down, and it did go down. After this down wave, market starts to go up again. So, those who were in this buy or this buy, we hope that you made decent profits, guys, in this up wave. And those who were following us last week and they took any sell position, now you are in profits. Both of you guys, you must be in profits at the moment. Now, before we go what next for DXY, I want all of you to follow us on a weekly basis because structure do change time to time. So in this case, we can update you. If you remember our forecast and you are enjoying our videos, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Because your likes and comments, guys, will support the channel and will push us to give you more and more every single week. As example for this one for DXY, if we go to weekly chart, remember here we are in a big downtrend. This is a downtrend for DXY in weekly chart. And this one can simply turns out to be a corrective structure for one more push down to break this low and this low as well. Alright guys, this is the weekly chart. Structurally and fundamentally, dollar is still weak. So what we are doing, we are following this structure step by step, week by week with you to explain you what might be the next wave. If we go back to 4 hours, guys, what next for DXY? For this one, we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure here upwards and then another down wave. So this might turns out to be a corrective structure as a sideways move before the next wave. Alright? We are expecting DXY to spend some time here within this sideways move before any next structure. So what to do? Those who are buying, you can take profits or move your stops, let market takes you out. And those who are selling, you do the same. Like I said, both of you guys, you must be in profits if you are following us correctly. Euro dollar for this one, we said last week all of you are in the sell, take more than 70% off and leave the rest at break even. Market went down and it starts to go up again. This will turns out to be a big corrective structure and then we'll update you. So what next for you dollar? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure downwards next week and then another up wave. Alright? Those who are selling, you can take profits or leave the rest 30% at break even and let market takes you out. For us, based on waves and structures, we can see market will give us a big correction here before the next structure. So wave analysis, guys, is a combination of Elliott waves, Dow theory, market structure, trends, fractal nature of the market, degrees, and our findings. Okay? It's not Elliott waves. And those who are focusing too much on labelings, try to study market structures, guys, before you put your labels. Because waves and structure first and anything else will come after. More details regarding this one will be covered on Sunday session. And just to let you know, guys, last week we mentioned on Sunday session we are expecting indices to go up. So this was Dow Jones forecast. We said market will go up from here to here and market went up. Also, this was posted on our TradingView account. So all of you follow us on TradingView because every Sunday we are posting charts for you there. So Dow Jones went up, Nasdaq also went up as you can see, And it's not only about indices, Ethereum also went up. Alright guys, we are not pretending to be right on every single wave or every single move. But once you understand wave analysis correctly, you will have an edge in the market. Guys, remember, you can sign up for March course until 15th of April. And after that, we will stop accepting payments. This is a great opportunity for those who cannot afford our June course price. Pound dollar for this one, we said market will give us this pullback and we've got this upwave. We know that a lot of you are in this sell and they are just moving stops. So one more time, if you get in this sell here, we hope that you made decent profits in this down wave. And those who went for this buy, this was a great move last week. Now, what next? In this one, also are expecting a corrective structure downwards and then another upwave. This will be a big corrective structure before the next wave. So pound dollar, we are expecting corrective structure here and then another up move. Those who are selling, you must be in profits, and those who are buying, you also must be in profits. All what you have to do, manage your trades wisely. And those who took March course, you know guys, what is this one. And you know what to do next here before you take the next trade. Those who are interested to take our March course, the deadline is 15th of April. So you still have few days to take this opportunity, because after 15th of April, we won't accept any payment. Remember, if you are making money from our videos or our Sunday sessions, you don't have to take the course. Aussie dollar for this one, also it was one of the majors and market went up. What next? Correction, another upwave. Now, for this one guys, those who will get in the buy or those who are in the buy already, move your stops and do not take profits above this stop. Why? Because this can turn out to be an impulsive wave to break this top one more time. Let me repeat this. Those who are already in the buy or those who will get in the buy after you get your setups, do not take profits. Let market takes you out if it will reverse. At the moment, we can see correction, another upwave. This upwave, it might turn out to be an impulsive wave to break this top one more time. Dollar yen for this one, we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure, another upwave. And we are so glad guys to see some of you made decent profits in this upwave. 500 pips, amazing. Take this as motivation and always remember that you can do it. So next for dollar yen, corrective structure, another upwave. We might not get in this buy for dollar yen. Why? Because after every new top, market can start to give us a big corrective structure that will be a deeper one. At the moment, this is what we are expecting, and this forecast is for those who are already in. Correction, another upwave. After every new top, market has a tendency to start a big corrective structure downwards. New Zealand dollar for this one, we hope all our Sunday session members remember what T covered last week. So, also this one is one of the majors and market went up. After this upwave, we are expecting a correction, one more push up. So all major pairs looks like they will spend sometimes in a sideways move before the next big impulsive wave. And remember guys, these are not entries and these are not targets. Inside this corrective structure, you might have a lot of possibilities. And just to let you know, soon we will be updating our Sunday session service, so stay tuned. Just to let you know guys, the rest of the pairs will be covered on our Sunday session. It's a live 1.5 to 2 hour session, where T will cover YouTube and a lot of pairs in details and what structure might perform. This will help you more with your trading. In these sessions, you can ask us questions live. And if you cannot attend them live, we will send you the recording to your email every Sunday at 6 p.m. UK time. Those who would like to subscribe to this service, check our website homepage, or you can find the link in the description under this video. Pound yen for this one, market is scrolling up, and market failed to give us this down wave. So, also for this one, I will go to the weekly chart and explain this for you in details. We are expecting market to go up all the way to break this top in the near future. But remember, this is the weekly chart. What we are waiting for here, we are waiting a corrective structure and another up wave. This corrective structure, it will be similar to this one or this one. Alright guys, this is the weekly chart. We are expecting pound yen to move more up. But before this continue to the upside, we have to see a corrective structure downwards. And this is the down wave we were expecting. Like I said, we are trying to give you more since you are liking and commenting. This is a strong uptrend, but within this uptrend, you can trade the down waves and then you can trade the up waves again. I cannot go into more details here guys, because this won't be fair for our private members. I'm just giving you tips and advices and signs for you to understand why we are expecting this down wave and why we are looking for one more push down before the next up move. Alright? So, after every new high, we look for our sell setups. Example, if market will give us one more push up here, we will look for our sell setups again. Market has to give us a down wave before we go for the next buy setup. If market will not give us this down wave, we will not be looking for any buy setup for pound yen from these levels. And do not think that we do not take losses. We also take losses, but the main thing for you is your ability to manage your losses and maximize your profits when market starts to go in your direction. And this is also covered in details guys in our system. Anyway, regarding the forecast for pound yen, we are expecting market to give us a down wave. After this down wave, from here or from here, we'll look for our buy setups again. In all the cases, we will look for sell setups for pound yen even if market will crawl more up. Yes, all for this one, we've got this drop and market starts to go up again. So if we get a corrective structure, one more push up and then a down wave. This one might be an expanding structure and then up again. Alright? Those who are investing and are in, keep moving your stops. And those who are in the sell, move your stops to break even and let market takes you out if you are in the sell. An important tip for you. Try to focus on one or two pairs maximum and study everything about them. If you jump from one pair to other, you will end up losing your focus. Okay? This is very important. Gold for this one, I hope all of you guys remember this forecast. We said last week correction, one more push down and then up again. And also on Sunday session, we mentioned 1680. So, we hope all of you get in this buy and are making profits in this up wave. What next for gold? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards and then we'll update you. At the moment, we can see it going more up to complete another corrective structure. So take profits or move your stops, it's up to you. Wave analysis guys, and our concept is a combination of Elliott wave, Dow theory, trends, market structures, order blocks, and our findings. So we are combining all of these theories in one single powerful system. And those who took our March course, they are learning this step by step in detail. So if you are a serious trader, don't miss out this opportunity. Dollar CAD for this one, we were wrong here. We were expecting market to give us a corrective structure, another push up. Instead, market went down, it gave us a small corrective structure, and then it went back down. So what next? After this down wave, we are expecting market to go up and then down. Alright? Remember, we are still within a downtrend and this structure here has changed. Next wave for dollar CAD is up as a corrective structure and then another drop. So it's up to you if you would like to trade this up wave or you would like to trade this down wave. At the moment, we can see dollar CAD correcting upwards and then another drop. EURUSD for this one, we've got this corrective structure and then we've got this up wave. If this is the first time you are watching our video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Not only that, go back and watch our previous video to see that not every week is a tradable week. As example for this one, we said it's a 50-50 probability chance market can make this corrective structure, one more push up, or it can drop from here. What happened? At the moment, the structure is more clearer to us. What I mean by that, if we get a sell setup next week, we might go for this sell and then another up wave. This down wave, it might stop here or under this low. Those who took March course, you know what this structure in the making at the moment. So for EURUSD, one more push down and then another up wave. Dollar Swiss for this one, market went down as a corrective structure and it starts to move up. If we get a correction here, another up wave. Also this one might turns out to be a big corrective structure and then we will update you. At the moment, if you are in the buy, move your stops and let the market unfold. And those who are selling, you can start to take partial profits and move the rest at break even. Alright guys, those who are in the sell, start to take partial profits and move the rest at break even. Another tip that you have to pay attention to. Over-risking is not only in the lot size in relation to your account. If you buy euro dollar, pound dollar, and Aussie dollar, you are over-risking the dollar. And also this is very important to understand. Pound Oz for this one, market went up and it starts to go down. This forecast was also posted on our TradingView profile. If you are selling, move your stops to break even and let market unfold. What next? We are expecting an up wave, correctively or impulsively, before the next structure. At the moment, we are expecting Pound Oz to move up before the next structure. So this means if you are in the sell, you move your stops to break even and let market unfold. New Zealand CAD, we hope all of you guys who trade this pair get in the sell and made decent profits in this down wave. Market went down more than 350 pips. And this was a great move. Those who are selling, you can take profits guys. What we are expecting next, a small corrective structure, one more push down. Even for this, take profits, this was the wave. Alright? And after you do your analysis, no matter what is the system that you are using, you will only have higher probability chance. Executing the trade in the direction of your bias needs knowledge, practice, and experience. Silver for this one, a lot of you guys are in this sell and this sell. So, at the moment, you are in profits. What next? Market is giving us a corrective structure for another push down. So, if you was in the sell and you took profits, perfect. And even if you sold from here and you took profits, this is great. Now, what next? After this corrective structure, we are expecting another push down. Those who would like to invest, wait 20 to 19 levels to go for the next buy. Alright guys, why 20 and 19 level? T will explain this in details on Sunday session. Our forecast and our bias for silver is corrective structure upwards and then another down wave. Bitcoin for this one, we're expecting market to go down under this low and then up again. Market just gave us a small pullback and then it went back up. So, what next for this? We're expecting corrective structure, one more push up. After this up wave, market has to give us a down move. So, corrective structure, one more push up, and then another down wave. Those who are buying, keep moving your stops and let market takes you out. Remember, Bitcoin is investment and this is what we can see next. Correction, up, and then a big corrective structure to start. So at 60 levels, if you are still in and you are still holding, you have to take partial profits, at least 50%. Guys, try to share our videos on your social media platforms and let others benefit as well. Now is the time for the Forex Trading Tip. Guys, losses are part of this business. Do not try to avoid them because you cannot, and don't let them control your emotions. All what you have to do is to understand this point and manage them wisely. Like I said at the beginning, we are about to upgrade our Sunday session service soon. Stay tuned. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.